Today we are going to study about citizenship. Meaning: the system which enables every individual to lead a better life is called nation, whereas legally recognized status of a member of a country is called citizenship. Features: an individual identifies himself as a citizen of a particular country through his citizenship. Citizens can enjoy all the rights given by the nation. Citizens should discharge his duties fixed by the nation. Citizenship binds citizens to live in accordance with the law of the land. Citizens get power to hold position from the highest to the least. Foreigners are deprived of political rights. The Parliament is the sole authority which makes laws on citizenship in our country. It enacted the Citizenship of India Act in 1955, which elaborates the provisions for the acquisition and termination of citizenship. Methods to acquiring citizenship in India: by birth, by descent, by registration, by naturalization, by incorporation of a new territory. Citizenship by birth: every person born in India on or after 26th January 1950 obtains citizenship of India. Those who were born before 26th January 1950 and residing in India were also given citizenship. Citizenship by descent: every person born outside India on or after 26th January 1950 obtains citizenship if either of his parents is a citizen of India at his time of birth. Citizenship by registration: any person who wants to become a citizen of India can acquire citizenship by registration. Citizenship by naturalization: foreigners who have lived in India for at least 5 years can acquire citizenship by submitting an application to the President of India. Citizenship by the incorporation of a new territory: if any new territory becomes a part of the Indian Union, the Government of India notifies those people and Indian citizenship is granted to them. Reasons for losing citizenship of India: an Indian citizen who renounces his or her citizenship by submitting an application to the concerned authority loses his or her citizenship. An Indian who acquires the citizenship of another country loses the citizenship of India by law. If any citizen has acquired the citizenship of India by fraud or indulged in anti-national activities, the government deprives him or her of his or her citizenship. Thank you.